Welcome, my dear students in Prep 2. Let's continue factorization. Today, we will learn how to factorize a quadratic trinomial in the form of ax power 2 plus bx plus c. The difference between this lesson and the last lesson, that here a doesn't equal positive or negative 1. For example, here we have a trinomial 6x power 2 minus x minus 12. The first two steps, arrangement and taking of the highest common factor. Here this trinomial is in the right arrangement or in the right order. It's arranged descendingly, x power 2, then x, then x power 0. Also, there is no highest common factor. There is no common factor between the three terms. So I'll start by factorizing x power 2 to x times x. This is the first step. The second step, I multiply a times c. Okay, don't care about the sign now. So I multiply 6 times 12. 6 times 12 is 72. Then I write the factors of 72 and I'll choose from the factors two numbers. Their summation is negative 1. Their summation is b. It means negative 1. Okay. Here I have, or I need, two consecutive numbers. I have 9 and 8 because 9 minus 8 is 1, and if I want negative 1, okay, I change the sign of the greater number, which is 9. So negative 9 and positive 8. So I'll choose the two numbers, negative 9 and positive 8. Okay, I'll put them in step number 1. So I have x plus 8, this is positive 8, times x minus 9. Now I'll divide by a. A is the coefficient of x power 2. So I'll divide by 6 and simplify. Okay, so I'll divide the numbers by a and simplify. I'll divide 8 by 6. 8 by 6. If you simplify, I'll divide up and down by 2. So I have now 4 over 3. By the same way, 9 over 6, I'll divide up and down by 3 to get 3 over 2. So I have x plus 4 over 3, x minus 3 over 2. I don't want any number here in the denominator. The number in the denominator will be multiplied by x in the same brackets. So 3 here will be multiplied by this x, and 2 here will be multiplied by this x. So the final factorization will be 3x plus 4 times 2x minus 3. Okay, it's very easy. We have steps. We will follow the step to factorize this trinomial. Let's take another example to clarify this point and be sure that you have understood. Here, for example, we have 5a power 2 plus 6a minus 27. Arrange. There is no common factor, so I multiply a times c. So I multiply 5 times 27. Okay, and I factorize a power 2 as a times a. 27 times 5 is 135. So I write the factors of 135. Then I'll choose two numbers. Their summation equals 6. Okay, I'll choose two numbers. Their summation or subtraction equals 6. Here I have 9 and 15 because 15 minus 9 equals positive 6. So the sign of 15 will be positive and the sign of 9 will be negative. The sign here in C, the sign of C is negative. We said if the sign of C is negative, so the two brackets have different sign. So I have 9 and 15. One of them will be negative and one of them will be positive. Look at here, the greater will take the positive sign. So I'll take negative 9 and positive 15. Okay. Finally, I want to divide by a, which is 5 here. So I'll divide 9 over 5 and 15 over 5. 15 over 5 is 3. 9 over 5 can't be simplified. This is the simplest form. So I'll multiply 5 by this a. So the final factorization will be 5a minus 9 times a plus 3. Okay, it's very easy. That's all about our session today. I hope you have understand. Thank you very much for watching. I want you to study hard and solve more exercises. Thank you very much and goodbye.